Welcome back to Success with Steven. My name is Steven Smith. On this channel, we discuss all things financial literacy. Now, recently, I was looking for grants that I could put into a comprehensive guide for everyone, and I came across this small business grant. It was sent to me by one of our subscribers, and it's a 2025 small business grant application with Amazon Business. They normally do this annually, and this time you can receive up to $25,000. The application will close by May 23rd. So I wanted to get this video out as soon as possible, so that way everyone watching this video can take advantage of it. I was gonna fill it out for myself, but might as well have everyone else also do this too. The first grand prize winner gets the $25,000 monetary grant. There will also be 4 finalists that receive $20,000 and 10 semifinalists that get $15,000. So you're going to receive over $250,000 from Amazon if you apply for this. Now, there are some additional prizes like 1 year of Business Prime. There's also Business Prime Rewards. That's $3,000 in reward points. And there's also the Amazon Devices Bundle, including a Eero Wi-Fi router, Ring alarm, a security kit, and all types of things, as well as Amazon basic office supplies. So for anyone that's interested, you should definitely apply for this. We'll go over the requirements so you can actually qualify for this grant, and then I'll take you through all of the questions that you need to answer in order for you to actually have a chance of winning this. So we're going to cover the FAQs to begin. In order for you to qualify, you need to have an existing small business, and you have to be a US based business with annual revenue of $1 million or less. And you have also made a purchase on your Amazon business within the last 12 months. I'm going to talk about a way that you can work around this, possibly. I recommend that you reach out and you call, but I think anyone can qualify for this as long as they have an Amazon account and a US based business. Now, this started May 1st of 2025, so we're already around 9 days into the month. You really want to jump on this as soon as possible. And the grant application will be open from May 1st to May 23rd, 2025. You also want to read the terms and conditions for the full list of eligibility requirements. To apply for this small business grant, you must have an Amazon account and be signed into your Amazon business account. If you are not signed in or you do not have an account, then you will not be able to see this application. Once again, I will go through the application with you and how I suggest that you fill that out. Now, to sign into your Amazon business account, you want to click on the button in the header and it says sign in. Once you're logged in as an Amazon business customer, you should be able to see the application. You'll fill it out, click submit, and that's going to be right above the frequently asked questions. So if we scroll up, the submission button is right here. So I'm scrolling back up right here to where it says, if you do not have an Amazon business account, then create a free Amazon business account. And please note, if you are a new Amazon business customer, it could take up to 48 hours for the application to appear. Reason why I'm pointing this out, if you have a personal Amazon account, you can convert your Amazon personal account to a business account. I haven't confirmed this myself, but from what I'm reading, I think that you might be able to do that. And then if you've had any personal purchases, but you've converted from personal to business, you should still be able to qualify and you should still be able to fill out this application. So I suggest trying that. Again, I haven't confirmed it myself. I recommend that you call, but at least from what I'm reading, it seems like that would be something that can work. This time, Amazon has teamed up with entrepreneur.com, and they will select 15 semifinalists, and those 15 semifinalists will be featured on Amazon Business for business customers to vote for their favorite small business to receive the grant. All existing Amazon business customers can vote, and the voting will take place between June 16th and June 27th. Only one vote per Amazon business account will be counted. Here's what I'm suggesting. I want everyone on my channel that has a US based business and can qualify for this to apply. If you were selected, send me an email, send me a DM, let me know. We'll make a video for it or I'll post it in the community tab, but everyone on this channel should vote for that individual if they are selected, because we want to make sure that anybody in our community can qualify for this and win this grant. So that's what I'm going to do if anybody who actually applies for this is selected. I'm going to make sure that as many people as possible will vote for you. So highly recommend that you guys go ahead and apply as soon as possible. So how will you be notified? Amazon Business will send the admin of your account an email to notify you. When you go into your business account settings for Amazon, there will be an email associated with the admin. So who's ever the person controlling this account, make sure that email is up to date. Now that we've gone over all of the details about how to qualify, who qualifies, the deadlines, let's actually talk about how to fill this out. So number one, was your annual revenue in 2024, and you would select the options. Was it between 0 and 500,000, $500,001 to $1 million? Once again, it has to be less than $1 million in annual revenue. So you will select that. Number two, you need to select how many employees that you have. If it's just you and you're solo, then just put solo. Less than 25 or 26 and 50. If you have more than that, you will not qualify. Now, your company needs to be based in the United States of America, so that should be an automatic yes. Number four, does your business have a physical retail location where customers can shop or visit? If you do not, then just select no. And if you do have multiple locations, then you want to select how many that you have. That's 0, 1, or 2 to 3. It looks like you shouldn't have more than 3 locations to qualify for this. So I'll just put 0 for now. And then for questions 6 through 11, they tell you do not include any personally identifiable information. Keep your answers close to 250 characters. And please note that they will evaluate some of these questions more than others. So these next few questions will really determine whether or not you get selected. They're very important. So with number 6, why did you start your business? Just like all of my previous videos on grants, I tell you the most important thing about this is your mission. What is your mission and how does it align with the person who's giving you this grant? You need to provide the value of your business and how you're actually helping people, not just that you're looking for money. So when you put why you started your business, please have a reason outside of yourself. You didn't just make a business to make money, you made it to do something. Number 7, what does your business do? Once again, you don't just want to say what your business does. You want to actually give the impact of your business. How does your business impact the community? All right. That's way more important than just what is your day-to-day business operations. That's not what they're really asking here. They really want to know what you're doing for everyone around you. And if you have a hard time answering any of these questions, go to ChatGPT, type in different ways to answer these questions, and then put it in your own words. Just, if you need a blueprint, a template, or a way just to get your ideas out. Number 8, what sets you apart from other businesses in your industry? This is going to be very important. You need to differentiate yourself. If you have a restaurant, then you need to talk about why your restaurant is so great. Does your restaurant feed the homeless? Does your restaurant have some sort of drive or community service? Like, what is it that you're doing outside of just making food? What sets your business apart from everyone else that's doing the exact same thing? That is very important. Think of that reason and then put it here. Again, it has to be less than 250 characters. So every word is important. Number 9, what problem is your business facing right now? And how are you working to solve it? Whatever your business is doing right now, hopefully it's impactful. You've already mentioned how you're helping your community and what sets you apart from everyone else that's doing the exact same thing. Now, this is where you want to mention how having these additional funds can elevate your business to be more impactful, to help more people, to provide more value. All right. That's going to be the thing that you want to put here. Please answer that with a lot of thought, a lot of integrity, and just make sure that you never lose sight of what the big picture is when it comes to your business. Number 10 is, what would you do with the grant money in order to grow your business? Now, I believe that this is going to be a reiteration of number 9, but there's one thing that's really important about this. It says, please note, if you are selected as a candidate, your response to this question will be published for Amazon business customers to vote for your business. My recommendation, look at other people that have been awarded this grant in the past. Look at their responses. How many characters was it? Was it very short? Was it very inspirational? Was it very impactful? Whatever you got from that, I want you to put that in your own words and try to do something along those lines. I think that'll be the best way for you to make an impactful statement without having to use very many words. Number 11, what is the most significant achievement of your business in the past 6 months? Take this for what you will. I would say that if you're going to mention your achievements, you kind of want to take everything from 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, even 11, and you kind of just want to put it all into one paragraph. Kind of summarize everything in one paragraph or 3 sentences. Number 12, can you explain how your business interacts with or uses any Amazon services other than your use of Amazon Business as a customer? Amazon offers plenty of different services and plenty of tools that you can use. Pick one tool that would help your business and then just talk about it here and how that's applicable. Should be pretty easy. Just look at what Amazon offers for business tools other than just you buying things from their platform. If you have a website, I think that's pretty important, which is number 13. Do you have a website? If so, please provide your website URL. If you do not have a website, you could provide your social media account, and hopefully your account kind of paints the picture of what you've been talking about for your business. So one or the other is fine, but if you have that website, it would be good to maybe update it. That kind of supports the things that you've said in the previous questions. Number 14 is a quick question that you'll just say yes to. If you're selected as one of the recipients, would you be interested in filming your business and your story for Amazon Business? I would just say yes to that. What is your industry for your business? You can business services, construction, agriculture, education, just, pick what aligns with your business. Number 16, what Amazon business features do you use? And this kind of goes back to the other thing that we were talking about. Maybe even use this to answer that question. But Amazon Business Analytics, bulk buying, business lists, business prime, prime rewards, deals. You can select whatever is applicable to your business. Now for number 17, very easy to find this information. You're going to click on the Amazon business profile. I'm going to click this really quick and it'll jump to my Amazon business account. The thing you're going to be looking for is your business ID. Once you have that, you're going to select it and highlight it, and then you're going to copy and paste that back at the previous page. For me, I'm going to block out all this information, but for you, you will see your business ID. Number 18 is asking you to provide your brand's trademark. That's the USPTO registration number. Not everyone will have this. If you've registered some sort of trademark, then you're familiar with this. If you have not, it's okay. Just skip it and go to number 19. You'll provide the name of your company or your brand. And number 20, you will then add your work email. Then you will finally submit this application. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have submitted your application, drop that in the comments below. Add submitted. And if you feel comfortable, drop your business name. Let us know so everyone here is aware of who you are, what you do, and we can look for your business if you're chosen as a recipient. Once again, you can come back here to the comment section. You can DM me, you can send me an email. You'll find that everywhere on my YouTube channel. There's ways to get in contact with me. If you're selected, please let me know so that we can do everything to make sure that we can get votes for that individual who's in our community in order to, qualify for this grant. So there's 15 winners here, guys. There's multiple people that can actually win, and you can get, again, 25,000, 20,000, 15,000, as well as a bunch of additional prizes. So I would like to see everyone apply for this grant. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video, and you guys have a wonderful day.